Hi there, students. Outmoded. Okay, outmoded is an adjective. You could have the adverb, I guess, outmodedly, and even the noun of the quality, outmodedness. Okay, if something is outmoded, I think the first thing is it's unfashionable. Yeah. And then I think maybe the other idea is obsolete. But, well, firstly, I think things become unfashionable, and then finally they become obsolete. So, I don't know, maybe the clothes that I wear are a bit outmoded. Yeah. Definitely the phone that I use is outmoded. Yeah, you're not going to find me with the latest mobile, just something that works. Okay, so outmoded, no longer modern. Yeah, it's not useful or necessary anymore. It's old fashioned, it's outdated. Yeah, it's not modern anymore. So, for example, outmoded working practices should be phased out. Yeah, okay, outmoded working practices. These are old fashioned working practices, old ways of doing things. And well, out with the old and in with the new. Yeah, maybe that goes with fashion as well. I think if we call something outmoded, we're being critical, we're being disapproving, we're saying we don't really like it because it's just too old fashioned. Yeah, his old, outmoded way of doing things. Yeah, the outmoded heating system that this house uses has to be changed. Yeah. Um, okay, I think maybe the way that we do things, or politics is very outmoded. Yeah, our lives are full of outmoded concepts. Yeah. I think the idea of obsolescence, when a new product is brought in, it leaves the old one outmoded. Yeah, an outmoded system, an outmoded concept, an outmoded idea, an outmoded way of doing things. Yeah, so outmoded, it's no longer in style, or it's not acceptable, it's not current or usable anymore. Yeah. Okay. Well, outmoded. Yeah. My computer is so outmoded that it's impossible to run any modern programs on it. Yeah. So out of date, old fashioned, outdated, out of fashion. Yeah. Behind the times, antiquated, obsolescent. Yeah. Antediluvian, before the great flood. Yeah, okay, so something that is outmoded. Yeah, outmoded clothes, outmoded ideas, outmoded technology. Yeah. Yeah, he always dresses outmodedly. There you go, there's the adverb. The outmodedness of his attire, of his clothes, is something that everyone notices. So outmoded, démodé, I love that word. Old-fashioned, passé, old hat, unstylish, unfashionable, obsolete, yeah, very dated, bygone. Yeah, something that's behind the times. Yeah, it's something that's gone out of style. Yeah, it's obsolescence. It's not hip anymore. It's old fangled. Yeah, so yeah, people in positions of power continue to use outmoded ideas. I think it's one of the problems with having politicians who are old. Okay, so outmoded, no longer fashionable, no longer usable. Let's see. As to formality, outmoded. I think this is quite a neutral word. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere, so that makes it a very useful word for you as well. And then as to origin, well, this comes clearly to me from French. Mode, à la mode, fashion. Yeah, so it's outmoded, it's out of fashion. Yeah, and then this word, I guess, mode comes from Latin modus, meaning a measure or a rhythm or a melody. So it's out of rhythm, out of melody, it's outmoded. Yeah, so outmoded, I quite like it. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Outmoded.